Hello friends, here we are with a positive message of faith, a seed of hope for all of you, and it comes to you from Psalms 92 verse 12 through 15. It says, "The righteous will flourish like a palm tree. They will grow like a cedar of Lebanon, planted in the house of the Lord. They will flourish in the courts of our God. They will still bear fruit in old age. They will stay fresh and green, proclaiming, 'The Lord is upright. He is my rock, and there is no wickedness in him.'" I love this verse because it compares us to a palm tree. A palm tree is known for the quality to bend over with strong winds, and is also able to take a lot of heat, a lot of wind. Your roots grow in the house of the Lord, that you grow rooted in the knowing that God is real, knowing that God is for you, that He loves you. The world, heaven and earth will pass away, but His word will live forever. If we keep ourselves, our faith strong and rooted in Him, no matter what the circumstances, no matter what problems we may encounter, but if we're rooted in Him, we're gonna be able to get even stronger after the storms have passed. That's a quality the palms have, that after a storm, they even become stronger. The roots go deeper. So may you grow deeper in the Lord. Thank you.